Before buying anti-aging products, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. It's not just about flashy labels or high prices. It's about what truly works to turn back the clock on your skin.
Product number 1, Simply Vital Anti-Aging Face Moisturizer. First up is the Simply Vital Anti-Aging Face Moisturizer. Priced at $23.97, this cream caught my eye for its promise of firming and hydrating both the face and neck. If you want a solid moisturizer that genuinely hydrates while tackling those fine lines, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It contains a balanced concentration of retinol, which is known to speed up skin renewal. That means you're not just moisturizing, you're actively encouraging your skin to shed dead skin cells and promote new growth. Plus, with hyaluronic acid in the mix, you're getting deep hydration that keeps your skin feeling soft. With over 70,000 sold in the past month, it's clear that many are seeing results. Now, some people complained about it feeling a bit heavy on application. Here's the thing though, if you're using it at night when your skin can really soak it in, the weight isn't a deal breaker. It's more about when you choose to use it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable moisturizer that gives your skin a fighting chance against aging. Skip this one if you prefer lightweight gels or have very oily skin. For the price, you're getting a solid product that combines quality ingredients without breaking the bank. Now, if the heavy texture of Simply Vital concerned you, the next one simplifies things with a lighter formula.
Product number 2, Rock Multi-Correction Revive Plus Glow Serum. Next is the Rock Multi-Correction Revive Plus Glow Serum, priced at $28.47. What caught my attention is the active vitamin C, which is a powerhouse for brightening. If you want to tackle uneven skin tone and dark circles, this product deserves your consideration. This serum features a unique blend of vitamin C and peptides that work together to reduce puffiness and visibly improve your skin's glow. In fact, studies show that 96% of users saw healthier looking skin within just a week. So if you're looking for quick results, this could be your go-to. The light, unscented formula is also gentle enough for daily use, making it easy to incorporate into your routine. Now, some users mentioned they experienced a slight tingling sensation after application. Here's the thing though, that often just means the ingredients are working, especially if you're new to serums. If you have sensitive skin, just start with a smaller amount to see how your skin reacts. This is perfect for anyone looking to brighten up their complexion and reduce those pesky dark circles. Skip this one if you're on a strict budget or prefer richer creams. For the effectiveness it offers, the price is quite fair. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for targeting under-eye concerns. Product number 3, L'Oréal Paris Eye Defense Cream. Next up is the L'Oréal Paris Dermo Expertise Eye Defense Eye Cream, retailing for just $12.12. I was drawn in by its promise to combat puffiness and fine lines around the eyes. If you struggle with under-eye circles, this cream is definitely worth checking out. It's formulated with caffeine and hyaluronic acid, which means it hydrates while also providing a refreshing boost to tired eyes. Caffeine is great for reducing swelling, and hyaluronic acid helps lock in moisture, making your skin feel plump and youthful. Plus, it's non-greasy, so you can apply it in the morning and even under makeup without feeling weighed down. Some users found it didn't absorb as quickly as they hoped. Here's my perspective. While it may take a minute to absorb, that just means it's working to hydrate your skin effectively. If you're in a rush, just give it a moment before moving on to your next product. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable option to brighten and tighten your under-eye area. Skip this if you want something heavier or richer in texture. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you need something that targets overall aging and not just the eyes, the next product is designed for that.
Product number 4, L'Oréal Paris Wrinkle Expert 55 Plus Moisturizer Face Moisturizer for just $10.82. I was intrigued by its specific targeting for mature skin. If you're looking for something that really works on wrinkles and sagging, this is one you should consider. This moisturizer is packed with calcium, which helps strengthen thinning skin and improve its overall texture. It's designed to visibly reduce signs of aging, like wrinkles and sagging contours. Plus, being dermatologist tested means it's safe for sensitive skin, so you can apply it without worrying about irritation. However, some reviews mentioned it felt a bit greasy for their liking. Here's the thing, it's meant to be hydrating, so a little greasiness is expected for deeper moisture. If you have oily skin, it might not be your favorite choice. This is perfect for you if you're over 55 and looking for a reliable anti-aging moisturizer. Skip this if you're under 55 or prefer lightweight formulas. For its low price, it offers great anti-aging benefits. Now, if you're looking for something with a more advanced formula, the last product takes a more innovative approach.
Product number 5, Tosowong Copper Peptide Cream. Finally, we have the Tosowong Copper Peptide 12 Cream, priced at $28. This one piqued my interest because it boasts a high purity of copper tripeptide, which is known for its anti-aging properties. If you want something that targets fine lines and promotes skin elasticity, this is definitely worth your time. This cream is packed with 12 different peptides, making it an intensive treatment for wrinkles and sagging skin. Copper tripeptide is known to boost collagen production, which is key to keeping your skin firm and youthful. Plus, it's also formulated with hyaluronic acid for added hydration, which is essential as we age. It's been reported that users see improved skin elasticity and a reduction in fine lines with regular use. Some folks mentioned it didn't provide enough hydration for very dry skin. But here's the thing, the formula is designed to be lightweight and absorb quickly. For those with oily or combination skin, this is actually a great benefit. This is perfect for anyone looking to invest in their skin with a focus on elasticity and firmness. Skip this if you have extremely dry skin or are looking for a richer cream. For the results, the price is reasonable for such an effective anti-aging product.
So there you have it, 5 fantastic anti-aging products that dermatologists trust. From Simply Vital's Nourishing Moisturizer to Tosowong's Advanced Peptide Cream, each product has its unique benefits. Remember, it's about finding what works best for your skin type and needs. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite product or any questions. Your skin deserves the best.